Have you ever wanted to try using fire to comb pixie curls? It is a good thing to do when wanting to comb pixie curls. If using fire to comb pixie curls is good for hair, let's find out through these videos. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factories. As you can see, the use of fire to style and comb hair is a quite popular method these days. Many social media celebrities have tried this method to create unique hairstyle. However, if you are going to use fire to comb pixie curls, please don't. Using fire to comb pixie curls will destroy your hair extensions. Maybe it will give you the impression that your pixie curls are more curly, fluffier, but with just one try, your hair will completely damage. The structures of your hair will burn and that part of your hair will die. You won't be able to do any other hairstyle and your extension will get messy and shady. So never try to comb pixie curls with fire. If combing pixie curls with fire is wrong, then how to comb pixie curl properly? Here are 3 main steps you need to remember. Step 1. Apply the hair serum before you start combing pixie curls. Then use your hand to gently squeeze the hair serum into the hair. Using hair serum before combing pixie curls will help your hair extension become smoother. The curls, after being evenly absorbed, will become soft, reduce dryness and tangles. Step 2 is to gently brush your hair from the roots to the end. When combed the right way, your pixie curls won't get caught in comb. Combing pixie curl in the right directions will also significantly reduce hair loss or tangle. Remember, an important tip when combing pixie curls is to always be gentle. Divide your hair into small sections and gently comb each section. Firmly grasp the tops and gently brush it down. If you have tangles, gently remove them with your hands before brushing again. Don't forget the third step after combing pixie curls is to squeeze the curls with your hands. Squeezing the curls evenly after combing will help your hair quickly return to its original shape and not loose after combing. And that is what you need to know about use fire to comb pixie hair curls. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.